Free-standing TV stand without drilling hole on wall. Designed with a heavy-duty steel pole and tempered glass base, this tabletop TV stand can easily hold your TV on your table with safety and stability, and you don't need to drill holes on your wall. Note: this stand is a tabletop TV stand, not a floor stand. A universal tabletop TV stand comes with two curved hanging bars. This table TV stand easily fits most 32 to 60-inch TVs with VESA pattern from 100 mm 100 mm to 600 mm 400 mm, weighing up to 60 pounds. Note: to make sure this mount will fit, ensure your TV's VESA bolt pattern falls between these two sizes, 100 H, x 100, W, up to 400 H, x 600, W, If your TV's VESA pattern falls between these two sizes, then it will fit your TV. Adjustable television holder stand, shelf width 13 inch, mount max. Depth 27.5. The rack has three different heights, can be adjusted: 26.2, 28.5, 30.9. This unit weight is at just 15 pounds. Heavy-duty TV stand with easy assembly. Comes with related hardware parts and a detailed installation manual. This stand can be installed within 15 minutes. Durability. Our TV mounting bracket is compatible with Samsung, Sony, LG, Sharp, Insignia, Vizio, Haier, Toshiba, Sharp, Element, and TCL. Black tempered glass gives an added touch to your home theater system while providing security and stability when mounting your devices. Top reviews from the United States. I purchased this product for my 65-inch TCL 6 series. I unfortunately found out it wouldn't fit my TV due to the TV having a protrusion that is too close to the holes and prevents the bracket from lining up. I attempted to use the spacers provided to push the bracket out from the TV and over this protrusion, but the spacers would not fit flat to the back of the TV due to the hole around screws. They also would not fit inside this hole. I believe this was not the fault of the maker of this TV stand, but TCL placed the holes for mounting this TV in an odd place. I saw other reviews that said they mounted their TV with this stand, and I am guessing they either used spacers and accepted that the bracket was not that sturdy on the back of the TV, or they screwed it flat to the TV with the screws at an angle, not ideal, and could break the TV. I actually did use this stand, but I chose to grind about 1/16 off the bottom of the bracket so it would sit flat against the TV and the holes would line up perfectly. It also did not compromise the strength of the bracket since all the holes on the bracket were still intact. I doubt anyone would want to go through the trouble to do it the way I did, but I felt it was easier than finding a replacement product that might not fit and waiting to return this one.